Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computations. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a wide range of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of NumPy, including how to install it, create arrays, perform operations, and use some useful functions. What is NumPy? NumPy, numerical Python, is a library that allows for efficient computation on large arrays and matrices. It provides a high-level interface for performing mathematical operations on these data structures. Installing NumPy. Before using NumPy, you need to install it. You can do this using pip. Importing NumPy. To use NumPy in your Python code, you need to import it. It is common to import it with the alias np. Creating arrays. NumPy provides several ways to create arrays. 1. Creating an array from a Python list asterisk. 2. Using built-in functions asterisk. 3. Creating arrays with random values asterisk. Basic array operations. NumPy allows you to perform various operations on arrays. 1. Element-wise operations asterisk. 2. Universal functions, ufuncs. NumPy provides a variety of functions that operate element-wise on arrays. Array indexing and slicing. You can access and modify elements in a NumPy array using indexing and slicing. Aggregation functions. NumPy provides methods to perform statistical operations. Reshaping arrays. You can change the shape of an array without changing its data. Example code. Here's a complete example that combines several of the concepts above. Conclusion. NumPy is an essential library for numerical computing in Python. It offers powerful tools for creating and manipulating arrays, performing mathematical operations, and analyzing data. This tutorial covered the basics, but NumPy has many more advanced features and functions, making it a versatile choice for scientists, engineers, and data analysts. To learn more about NumPy, you can refer to the official documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable.